GM everyone, welcome back to another market update. Inside yesterday's investing analysis, we had a discussion how price can form mean reversion regime in this specific zone before it continues higher towards $80,000. And right now you can see prior to this New York session, we had a breakout attempt above $76,000 which got failed and price is back towards its mid range at this specific zone, right? As far things for the very short term is concerned, we got a short trade inside our war room with our Discord subscribers, which is only accessible for the Discord subscribers. This was the short trade that we captured. And right now you can see in the very short term, we have some clusters of active liquidations forming below current price towards $74,000. So that's the real area of support from where you can expect some real buy orders from those bigger players, which can push the price higher back towards this resistance, or maybe it can continue higher, right? So as far this price action above $75,000 so far looks very weak, can take the liquidations below 75 towards $74,000 before continuing higher. But make it very clear, our bigger picture, midterm picture is very clear, and that's the GLI fair value gap above current price. All you need to know is this price will trade inside this specific area before it breaks out above $80,000, right? So as far you can see it technically also price is trading above its resistance. All you need from it is a range which then breaks out, turns into accumulation and then breaks out to the upside, right? As far gold is concerned, it's back inside its 4 hour gap. We'll watch out its reaction at this specific zone. If it maintains, if it holds above 4700, we can find some scalp or day trade long to target back the resistance towards these areas. But it will require some sort of confirmations. I will post a trade update inside my Twitter, so make sure to follow me there also. As far your Ethereum is concerned, you can see, if you follow my investing analysis, we went long on Ethereum from this specific area and made 4.5 hour from this fucking trade. But as far for now is concerned, you can see it's below its resistance and above its support, and always the market makers chop bad traders inside this specific area, right? These are the two triggers which we will follow. If any one of them fills, we will long either above the specific resistance 2400 or above the value area high, right? As far Solana is concerned, I am inside this long trade, currently negative 0.2 hour, holding this specific trade because it looks good for me as far as it stays above $83 area, right? As far oil is concerned, we have peace agreements to be ending. I guess it's tomorrow. We'll see how oil reacts. This is the zone which we drawed from our investing analysis. Expect this specific oil to range inside this specific two gaps. And if we have some good agreement between the two countries, then it's possibly gonna nuke and take out the liquidity below this specific low. As far for BTC, very midterm on-chain analysis is concerned, you can see long-term holders, they continue to accumulate, while the short-term traders, they continue to distribute. And that's true because if you see the funding rates, we have consecutive negative regimes of fundings on daily time frame. We have almost 12 days of negative fundings. But not only this, if you see the same data on weekly time frame, we have again consecutive 2 days of negative 2 weeks of negative fundings, which makes one thing very clear, that there's a lot of panic and disbelief at this specific area. Those retail traders are shorting this, comparing this one with this, and they have liquidation levels above current price. That's our GLI fair value gap and our main target in the very midterm, right? So things for me in the very short term, according to my systematic and objective approach of the market, seems very good and very bullish in the midterm. As far BTC, the quadrant model is concerned, we have the spot rally, which now makes a real sign of strength in the market, and also we have short-term shorts liquidations dominance regime triggering. They are warning the shorts that they will be liquidated very soon, something like this. Whenever we have shorts liquidation dominance regime and continuous warning, this means price can chop more higher and liquidate all those short traders, right? As for funding rates and premium to shorts on check on chain is concerned, we have another leg down from premium to shorts, and these funding rates, the 7 day rate of change of fundings on the check on chain is now getting more denser, which indicates more disbelief in this specific rally, which makes it more bullish for BTC in the very midterm, right? All you need to know is BTC again to range below 77,000 or above $73,000 before it finally gives that big green candle to your bears, right? That's all I would expect from the price for the next few weeks or days. We'll see how it goes, right? So I guess that's enough for today. Make sure to manage your trades with proper risk management and through proper systematic approach, right? Thanks for watching.